I'm recording it.
3, 2, 1, go. I call it for the shot. See? I'm not hit.
Hey, you're in the hopper, Cody. Hey, you're hit.
No, there's no shots there in the hopper.
He's it on the hopper.
Yeah.
I'm out of paint.
Ah, look at him. He got a spray right over his head too.
Right in the forehead.
You got shot in the forehead, Tyler.